Here is French folk song for our cellos. I will let you know when to come in and when I'll talk you through it, but get your fours ready on the A string, and here we go. Ready, go. 3 on D, 4 on D.